During an exclusive interview with CGTN, Klaus Schwab, chairman of the World Economic Forum, said the world is looking forward to hearing more about China's economic policies and prospects.
I think it's very, very important. The participation of Premier Li Qiang could exactly be placed into this framework of rebuilding trust, because, as you know, there are many doubts at the moment whether China really could master all those challenges or is at the beginning of a fast slowing down phase of its economic growth. So to hear Premier Li Qiang speaking about the prospects of Chinese economy and the role China will play inside the global economy, I think can restore and rebuild to a large extent not only growth into China, but growth into our global system.